just imagine this has been every day. It's been
No.
for weeks now.
The sea lions trying to pick that perfect one. And some water's coming out from the hatchery. And these just haven't made the ladder, so they think this is a fresh stream.
Yeah, so they're confused. They're trying to go up the runoff water. They haven't figured it out yet.
Obviously, some never figured it out because they're down there dead. So crazy. There's our little sea lion. He wants to find that perfect fish. You see all that dark? But in there is all the just lots and lots. Oh wow, we gotta go look.